Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. I know I'm late for Rakhi. Sorry for that. But I was really feeling like creating a nice traditional look today. So this is the look that I have come up with. It is very simple and doable, wearable, but at the same time it's got its elements to it. You'll watch the tutorial and you'll figure it out. Apart from that, I know my hair are looking very different right now. I changed my hair color, but this is not gonna stay. I'm actually going to change it again, but that's a story for a vlog. I'm going to vlog the whole thing and tell you all the story. This color tone is temporary is all that I can tell you. What else? Oh, the links of all the products will be mentioned in the description box below along with the shade names. And yeah, that's it. Now let's go and create this look. For primer, I'm going to use NYX's Marshmellow primer. I'm using just one pump of this primer. For foundation, I'm going to use L'Oreal Infallible Matte Cover Foundation. I'm in the shade 105 Natural Beige. I've definitely taken a lot more on my hand. I'm going to blend this and see if I need to build it up. I don't think I'll need to build this up. For concealer, I'm going to use e.l.f. Camo Hydrating Concealer. This is in the shade Light Beige, but it is slightly lighter than my skin tone. So if you want like an exact match, then maybe you can go a shade darker. Like if you're taking the reference of my skin tone, which is NC35 and MAC, then for an exact match, go for a shade darker. For contouring, I'm going to use Huda Beauty Tantour. This is what I picked up. Like this was one of the things that I picked up during Nykaa's sale. You can also use like a smaller brush to first, apply it and then blend it. Also going to contour my nose a little bit. This is something which I've been trying recently. Not sure if it looks good or not, but I kind of enjoy contouring my nose these days. I always blend the contouring product out with a brush or a sponge so that there are no harsh lines. Setting my base using e.l.f. Halo Glow powder. So I'm not setting my under eye area. I'm going to use a different powder for that. Next, I'm using Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder for my under eye area. I've actually reviewed this product in my haul video. I'm also applying a little bit of it on my T-zone. Now I'm going to fill up my eyebrows with e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. Going to set this up with another e.l.f. product. It is their Wow Brow Eyebrow Gel. This video is not sponsored by e.l.f. guys. I've actually bought all these things. Now for eye makeup, I'm actually going to keep this eye makeup very simple. I'm going to do like a double eyeliner sort of a look. For that, first, I'm going to apply like a neutral brown shade on my eyelids. I'm actually using a bronzer. This is Sugar's Contour de Force Mini Bronzer in the shade Caramel Captain. This is how it looks like. This is the shade which I'll apply on my eyelids. Now I'm taking K-Beauty's gel pencil in the shade Olive and I'm going to draw an eyeliner with this pencil. So this is the wing liner which I have created with that gel pencil, and it is slightly thick because we are going to place like a black eyeliner below this liner. It sounds confusing, but we are doing a double liner. To do that, I'm going to use Inglot Gel Liner. You need to keep the liner really close to your lash line. I wanted to show you a closer look. This side is with the double liner and this side is obviously without the double liner. Both the sides are done. I've zoomed out the camera. This is how it's looking. For my lower lash line, again, I'm using the same bronzer, applying it lightly on the lower lash line. And lastly, I'm going to add a little hint of shimmer right in the center of my eyelid. For that, I'm using this Nykaa highlighter. This is their Glow Getter Highlighter Duo in the shade Glitterrati. I'm going to use this shade. I'm taking it all the way up till my crease. Also highlighting my brow bone with this color. I'll also finish highlighting the inner corners of my eyes. We'll highlight the face later after the blush. I've used this shade only to highlight the inner corners, and this is an optional step. Only do it if you like it. I really like this inner corner highlight, but it's totally up to you. Next, I'm going to use some mascara. I'm using M.A.C in Extreme Dimension Mascara. For blush, I'm going to use Wearified's blush in the shade Cashmere Rose. Now we are going to highlight the face, and I think even for my face, I'm going to use this highlighter only. I'm also going to keep the highlighter very subtle, not too much. For lips, I'm going to use K-Beauty Lip Crayon in the shade Just Friends. I bought this as well during the sale. Lastly, I'm going to use Fix Plus to set everything in place. This is the final look, guys. We have come to an end of this video. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you haven't already checked out our brand, then you can check it out on my YouTube page. There is a little section called Store. We have a brand, guys. It's called House of Jerome, and we've got like a bunch of awesome things. You can check them out. And apart from that, you can consider following me on Instagram. I actually have been creating a lot of short form content on Instagram, so you can check my handle out. I'm also going to leave all the links in the pinned comment of the comment section below. I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye! Mwah.